the custom value sets or domain specific filtering. So you can upload your custom list of codes grouped by a clinical theme, task, or a specialty. A value set is essentially named collection of medical codes, a curated playlist. For example, you could create a value set called breast cancer diagnosis and include ICD-10, SNOMED, or mesh codes that relate to that particular topic. Or you might have like cardiology medications, for example, set made for only the RxNorm. These sets can be created manually in the terminal server. You can upload a CSV or Excel. We have a format for the value sets, which I'll show. They are perfect for understanding the workflows, building the rule sets, or supporting the phenotype definitions in the research. So we use our value sets as filters to restrict the search results to relevant concepts only. So once you successfully uploaded the value sets, it will be like a part of your search environment when it's active. It will highlight or include all the results that match the codes from your selected value sets. Let's say you search for chemotherapy and you have some oncology specific value set turned on. So your results will be limited to the codes in that value set. So it removes the noise and the irrelevant matches. So it makes it easier to ensure the clinical relevance. You can also track the versions and the changes to the value sets over time. You can check which value set has which version. So you can also update it. It will have a version 2 of it. It just means that you can update them and keep track of your changes. So this is mostly required in large teams or like regulated environments. If you are doing a study which uses version, for example, 1.3 of value sets and someone later updates it to 1.4, so both versions are still available. You can trace what was changed. This ensures full transparency between the people.